Alrighty, Bob Krimenacker here. I am going to go through the banner. There are many options. This is the banner. This is the control center, the brain of item pads. You can pretty much find whatever you need within here, as far as I can tell. I'm going to go through the options really quick. Item pads itself is an old option. Excuse me. That brings up all of the different pads within the system. If we click to go back, recents shows us all of the recent pages that we have displayed in the main. So important, it's showing right now. Here we have Euro shopping channel. We were looking at the Spain group and all of the customers of Spain before. A while back, we were looking at Joe Customer. Here's Joe Customer. Go back to the banner. Search is your generic search. We could look for anybody called, anything in the system called toys. And here are all the items with toy. So this was the toy supplies that we wanted. We go back. To-dos is really kind of cool. It shows us all of the items that are currently open or in process, or have all of the items that are not done in some way. It becomes more interesting, and we could do that really quick. Let's jump straight away into project. We'll create a project really quick. So we have our project here. We'll jump back into to-dos, and now we see we have a more complete set of open items. So this submittal for living room for this particular project is currently open. We can jump into that project, and then we see the various items, the pages that are within that project. Okay, enough of that. Reports. This is all of the collections that we have within the system, in case you want to find something really quick. This happens to be a collection of all of the issues within the system. This is, of course, what we just saw, all of the to-dos, so on and so forth. Here's today's tasks and events. Quick go. We'll see that in various other forms. Types. Here are the 5 major types, of which, and there are many more. But we can jump into people. Right now in this database, we have customers and we have employees. We want to see the employees. Boom, there's our employees. We jump back. We want to see the various activities in the system. That's anything that's that's a task or a thing to do. We can look at our orders and do what we want there. We can see our various task events. We can see our open projects, so on and so forth. Pads, super important. Pads, of course, are where you put generalized information grouped by topic. This would be the important stuff that we would have here. That, of course, is always the pad that shows up initially when the system is first displayed, to remind you what you need to do for the day, for the week, blah blah. Here's a project pad. Here's personal items that we might have here. We can add a pad really quick. This is a work pad. Boom, add the work pad. A thing to do for work. Add that as a note. Boom. There it is on my pad. If I'm in the business and I want to see what I got to do for work, boom, there's all the stuff I need to do for work. Menus. Project. There's an entire video about the project coordination system. We'll look for that video. This brings you to the customer type menu so that you can go straight away into the customers. You can add new menus if you want here. If I click on an open one and I click down, let's say I very often want to go into my orders. I add the orders. Boom, there's my orders. I can display that. If I go back to my menus, there's order. Okay, I want to look at my customers. I want to look at my orders. That is the several minute quick introduction to the banner. Oh, and the quintessential help. Peruse the help. But these videos should be all the help you need. That has been the banner. Ta-ta for now.